Hello. Namaste, my beloved friends. So today I'm chewing this sugarcane, the raw sugarcane. And I am chewing it because I want to tell you something really important, really beautiful thing about sugarcane. If you are facing any problem regarding your liver, or you are being intoxicated with so many medical things, or you have been medicated since long time, or you have any kind of liver disorder problems, then I would like to tell you that this sugarcane is a tonic, very powerful tonic to cleanse, to detox your liver. And if you detox your liver with sugarcane, trust me, within couple of weeks you will feel really healthy from inside. Just search it on internet that how beautiful and how powerful tonic this sugarcane juice is. But I would like to request you to all to intake this by chewing, not by crushing it. So you can take a sugarcane every day and you can chew it, and it will help to detoxify your liver problem, fatty liver or jaundices. Let me tell you other benefits of chewing a sugarcane. When you chew a sugarcane, it not only gives you inside a tonic, it also helps in you other ways also. Like, let me tell you, I have taken this bite, and when I chew it, I have to press my teeth, and teeth are one of the most important weapon for human being, not for only human being but also for other animals. So whenever they have to release something negative, or whenever we have to release something negative, what we does, we just press our teeth, we just do like that. So when we chew this sugarcane, we press our teeth. Unknowingly we press our teeth very hard, and when we press our teeth, it release that negative emotion, release that negative energy unknowingly, and you feel fresh. You can compare human being with other animals. They have paws and they have jaws, and they just do attacking with their paws and with their teeth. So if you chew this sugarcane, it release your so many emotion through that chewing. Then there is another benefit of sugarcane. It's very important. You put a lot of cosmetics on your face, but when you chew sugarcane, look at you. It not only give an exercise, facial exercise to whole of your face, your head, your mind, your all nerves and all facial skin. So it is very helpful for your facial skin, facial glow. So if you are facing some face issues and you are like having many kind of pressure or headache, just try to chew this very beautiful natural thing, and you will get so many things from this. I hope you will get lots of benefit from this video. Please share if you liked it. If you are facing any kind of health problem, please let me know. You can text me on WhatsApp, or you can, if you want to get some ayurvedic medicine, you can also then text to me. I'm sending you lots of love. Namaste. Hare Hare.